Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Wheelhouse Wonders, where we bring you the most stylish and exciting car reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Nissan Juke, a subcompact crossover that continues to push boundaries with its bold styling, advanced technology, and fun-to-drive personality. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Juke maintains its signature quirky and aggressive design, featuring a striking V-motion grille, sharp LED daytime running lights, and sleek, slim headlights that give it a futuristic appearance. The muscular wheel arches, floating roof design, and coupe-like sloping roofline add to its sporty character, while the newly introduced color options, including dual-tone finishes, make it stand out even more on the road. The rear end is equally bold, with boomerang-shaped taillights and a sculpted bumper that adds a touch of ruggedness. Moving on to the interior, the Juke offers a surprisingly spacious and driver-centric cabin with high-quality materials and a modern layout. The dashboard features a floating 10-inch infotainment touchscreen with Nissan Connect, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation and voice recognition. The premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and ergonomically designed seats provide both comfort and style, while clever storage solutions ensure practicality for daily drives. The 2025 Juke is powered by an efficient yet punchy performance setup, featuring a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that delivers around 190 horsepower, paired with either a smooth CVT or a sportier 6-speed manual transmission. Nissan's advanced all-wheel drive system with dynamic torque vectoring ensures optimal traction and handling, making the Juke agile and responsive in both urban environments and twisty back roads. In terms of safety features, Nissan has equipped the Juke with its Pro Pilot Assist system, offering adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to provide all-around protection for drivers and passengers alike. What makes the Juke truly special are its unique selling points, which include its distinctive design that refuses to blend into the crowd, a fun and engaging driving experience, and cutting-edge connectivity features that cater to tech-savvy drivers. Additionally, its compact size makes it perfect for city driving, while the elevated ride height offers SUV-like versatility. When it comes to the price, the 2025 Nissan Juke is expected to start at around $26,000, offering a solid combination of style, performance, and technology at a competitive price point. In conclusion, the 2025 Nissan Juke continues to be a standout in the subcompact crossover segment, delivering a bold design, impressive features, and a fun driving experience that makes it an appealing choice for young urban drivers and small families. If you're looking for something that breaks away from the ordinary, the Juke is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Wheelhouse Wonders, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews.